You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words, those two musical instruments. Let's go through. Xylophone is how you pronounce the top one, so it's not xylophone or xylophone. Xylophone. The bottom word is a vibraphone. The vibraphone is made of metal instead of wood. That's the difference here, if you've been wondering what the difference is. Xylophone is made of wood. Xylo is Greek for wood. Xylophone is made of wood, and a vibraphone is made of metal, so it gives a different texture to the sound. Xylophone, vibraphone, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.